day, everyone, and welcome back to class. I see you, Robert, Aiden, Emmanuel, Brenda, and everyone else who wants to have some fun with Cursive. This is great, and we'll all have fun together. Continuing on with this series, we are learning how to write cursive, just a couple letters a day. In today's video, number 6 of this series, we will practice how to script lowercase letters P, Q, and R. So please, you know the drill. Meet me at my writing desk. And we're going to get right into our warm-up. And today's warm-up, we're going to call the tsunami. We did waves before, and today we have a sea of C's. So this is what it should look like, and I'll show you right now. So let's start again here. We start from the bottom blue line and we literally create the letter C. And we did that in our first lesson, so I know you all know exactly how we create this. So we don't stop, keep going until the end of the line. A sea of C's. I love that. Keep going. One more. Great. Let's try one more row of C's. And remember to always take your time. You're not in competition with the person next to you or the clock. Just take your time. Practice makes what? That's right. Practice makes progress. Last one. Nice. So our first letter is lowercase p. And it's a pretty challenging letter, so we break it down here. These are the parts. Our first part is our leader line upward to the red dotted line, and that's this part right here. Right? And then we have this piece here that reminds us of how we did our J. Remember? And that's this part right here. And from the J looking part, we just make a stroke upward, and that's this part right here. And then we smooth it out, coming from the red dotted line to the blue line, and that's right here. And then, of course, we know we bring it home, and that's this part right here. Let's try a couple of P's now. And we'll take it slowly down, curve all the way up to the red dotted line, swing it in, and bring it home. Let's try again. Slowly. And bring it home. Good job. Let's do another row of P's. Let's take them slowly. Good job. I love creating that loop. Nice. Keep going. And one more. And let's make this our best one. Wonderful. So our second letter is lowercase q. And if we look at it closely, it kind of reminds us of a backward P. And these are the strokes that comprise the Q. And let's work it out together. So this stroke right here, that's right there. This stroke, we're completing the oval for our cue. This right here is our loop. And of course, this is our drag all the way home. Let's try a few of them together. And instead of being looped to the front, the cue loops to the back. Nice and easy. One more. And let's try another row of cues. Create our oval, let everything touch, then create our loop. Nice. Oval, loop, and bring it home. Just a couple more times. Two more times. And make the last one your best one. Wonderful. And our final letter in this series is the lowercase letter R. And right here, all we see are little nicks and nibs right here. And just these 4 pieces make up our letter R. So let's work it out. Remember again these lines that we practiced the last time? You were probably wondering, why do I even have to practice these? But now we're seeing them come back as we move forward to more letters. So this loop, this line that goes from the blue line to the red dotted line, that's right here. And this little piece right there is right here. See where I'm going with this? And this line right here brings it home for us. Let's try a couple R's together. And I'll take it slowly. And bring it home. Let's try again. And if you also notice, this second part of the R is shorter than our initial line. So just pay close attention to that as well. Let's do another row of R's. Good job. Let's go until the end of the line. Remember to always take your time. This is your lesson. Go at your pace. Perfect. Wonderful. So this is the fun part where we get to construct some nice words using the letters we've learned so far. Our first word is parking. So that P we just learned. A, I'm taking it slowly. That R we just learned. Ooh, the fancy K. Who remembers that K? And who remembers it was one of my favorites? This is a nice big word. A nice long word. Let's try parking once more. Take your time. Stretch all the way up for that K. And bring that G home. Don't forget to dot that I. Nice. Let's try barber. That's a good word with a B and has a couple of R's in it. B-A-R. Get to practice that R we learned today. B, E, 3 R's. Nice. 2 R's. Let's try barber. Taking it slowly so you can see. And don't forget to use the exercises that we practiced in our first lesson. If your hands become tired, we just stretch them out. Give it a good rub, give it a nice massage. Don't forget now. Go at your own pace. And our last word for today is ranger. Again, we'll get to practice that R. And I'll take it slowly. R-A-N. Nice. Let's try it about 2 more times. Nice. Once more and make it good. It's our last word of the day. Great job. You did an awesome job today, and I'm so proud of you. You have permission to toot your own horn for reaching this far in the series. Now, don't forget our 3 P's that we discussed in our foundational video: posture, practice, and patience. And always remember that any progress is good progress. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing. It's free. Commenting, hitting that notification bell, and giving the old thumbs up. Keep at it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.